Hello students, this is Swati, your mathematics teacher. Students, in this video, I will tell you the explanation of story sums of exercise number 6.6 of chapter 6, that is fractions. Students, in the first one, it is given to us that on a sports day, a group of students prepared 12 is to 1 by 2 liters of lemonade. And at the end of the day they had 2 is to 5 by liters left, and we have to calculate how many liters of lemonade were sold. Firstly, we write quantity of lemonade prepared, that is 12 is to 1 by 2, which is in the form of mixed fraction, and we convert it into the improper fraction. For converting it, we multiply the denominator with the whole number and getting the product. After that, we add the product in the numerator, that is 12 2 ja 24, 24 plus 1 is equal to 25 by 2. Similarly, in the case of lemonade left, that is equal to 21 by 8. Now we have to find quantity of lemonade were sold. So we subtract the quantity of lemonade left at the end from the total quantity of lemonade prepared. That is equal to 25 by 2 minus 21 by 8. As in this we have unlike fraction, so our first step is to take the LCM. Firstly, we take the LCM of denominator of both the fraction, that is 2 or 8. By calculating the LCM, we take 8 as LCM. In the first fraction, the denominator 2 has to be multiplied by 4 to get it as 8, means 25 multiply 4. Now similarly, in the second fraction, the denominator 8 has to be multiplied by 1 to get it as 8. That is 21 multiply 1. That is 21. Now subtract 100 minus 21 by 8, which is equal to 79 by 8. As it is in the form of improper fraction, we convert it into the mixed fraction. By converting it into the mixed fraction, we get 9 is to 7 by 8. That is lemonade which was sold. Now come to the second question. In the second question, it is given that a pizza is given to us, that is 3 is to 5 by 6. In that one, Faiza and her friends ate 1 is to 2 by 3 parts. So how much pizza is left? Total pizza which is given to us, that is 3 is to 5 by 6. As it is also given us into the mixed fraction, firstly we convert it into the improper fraction, that is 6 multiply 3 18. After that we add numerator in that one, that is 23 by 6. Now the pizza ate by Faiza and her friends, that is 1 is to 2 by 3. We also convert it into the improper fraction, which is equal to 5 by 3. Now in this question we have also unlike fraction. So our first step is to take the LCM of both the fraction of denominators. By calculating the LCM of 6 and 3, we get 6 as LCM. In the first fraction, the denominator 6 has to be multiplied by 1 to get 6, means 23 1 ja 23. After that, in the second fraction, the denominator 3 should be multiplied by 2 to get it as 6, that is 5 multiplied by 2. Now 23 1 ja 23, 5 2 ja 10. We subtract 10 from the 23, we get 13 by 6. This is also an improper fraction. We convert it into the mixed fraction. By dividing the numerator with the denominator, we easily convert it into the mixed fraction. In that one, remainder will become our numerator, divisor will become our denominator, and question will become our whole number. So 2 is to 1 by 6, the pizza which was left. Now come to the third question, in which a running track 8 km long is given to us. A person, Amar, complete 3 is to 1 by 6 by jogs and 4 is to 2 by 3 by running. Now in this question we have to tell, is he able to complete the track? Total length of the track is equal to 8 km. Amar jogs or complete it by jogs, that is 3:1 by 6 kilometer. Firstly, we convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction by multiplying the whole number with the denominator, and after getting the product, add numerator in it, that is 19 by 6 kilometer. Similarly, the distance covered by him is equal to 14 by 3. Now we have to calculate, is he able to complete the distance of the trek? Firstly, we add the total distance covered by Amar, that is 19 by 6 plus 14 by 3. Similarly, firstly we take the LCM. After that, we add both the unlike fraction. After adding them, we get 47 by 6. Total track given to us, which is equal to 8 kilometer. Amar covered the distance, that is 47 by 6. Now distance left or remaining means 8 kilometer minus 47 by 6. After doing the subtraction, we get 1 by 6 distance which remains left. So no, he didn't cover the track and 1 by 6 kilometer distance left. So this is all about the explanation of exercise number 6.6. I hope you will understand this. Thank you. Have a great day.